How to grow Mesembryanthemum from seed. In spite of its extraordinary looks, it is shockingly simple to grow from seed. However, to benefit as much as possible from the short northern European growing seasons, sow Mesembryanthemum seed under security from pre-spring to spring. Utilizing particular plate loaded with a decent quality, very much depleted fertilizer, for example, John Innes seeds, and cutting, sow the seeds at first glance at a surmised rate of 10 seeds for each module. Try not to cover the seeds as they need the nearness of light to support start germination. Rather delicately firm down the fertilizer without sinking the seeds into the manure. On the off chance that you are watering from the surface, you may wish to include a thin layer of vermiculite to keep the seeds from being washed around the seed plate. On the other hand, water from the base with the goal that water normally ascends through the manure. Once the surface of the fertilizer obscures, expel water from the base of the seed plate. Place the seed plate inside a warmed propagator at roughly 15-20 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, seal the plate inside an unmistakable polythene sac. Keep the manure moist yet stay away from coordinate daylight. You can anticipate that germination will happen between 15-21 days. Once the seedlings develop, expel them from the propagator or polythene pack, yet they will, in any case, be kept in a warm, brilliant, ice-free position. At the point when the roots have turned out to be set up in the modules, they can be flown out and pruned on into 9 cm pots and grown on in cooler conditions for a further 10-15 days to solidify off. They can be planted outside into their last position once all danger of ice has passed. Plant Mesembryanthemum criniflorum plants 30 cm separated. To bloom, they will require, however, much of the accessible daylight as could reasonably be expected. They will perform best planted in a light all around the depleted soil.